In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header image to Google Sites, a 5-minute guide that will have your site looking polished and professional in no time. Whether you're wanting to enhance the look and feel of your personal project, a school assignment, or even a professional site, the right header image can make all the difference. Let's dive into the simple steps and make it happen. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific page of your Google site where you want to add the header image. Once you're there, you should see an existing header space, usually with a default image or a blank area if you haven't set anything yet. This is the part of the page we're going to customize next, transforming it to capture the essence of what your site is all about. To begin, hover over the header space and you'll notice a menu or toolbar appearing at the top. Look for the option to edit or customize your header. It's generally represented by an icon with a pencil or some other indicator suggesting edit functions. Click on this icon and it will open up various setting options for your header, including where you can upload an image. Now, click on the option that says Upload. This is your gateway to bringing in an image stored on your computer that best represents your site. After selecting Upload, a window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Find the image you've chosen to be your banner. Be mindful of the image's dimensions and resolution. A high quality, wide format image usually works best for headers. Select the image and click Open. Google Sites will take a moment to upload the image and you'll soon see it appear in the header area. Once the image is uploaded, you'll have the opportunity to adjust how the image looks. Google Sites may provide you with options to reposition or resize the image slightly, ensuring it aligns well within the header space. Experiment with these adjustments until the image is precisely how you want it. The key here is to ensure that the image is not pixelated and that any focal points are visible within the header space. Finally, after making these adjustments and ensuring the image fits just right, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button, often located toward the header's toolbar or editing menu section. Once you've saved, your new header image is live. It instantly adds a new level of personalization and professionalism to your site. And that's it! You've successfully added a header image to your Google Sites. This simple enhancement can set the tone for your visitors as they engage with your content. Keep this process in mind whenever you want to give your site a fresh look and enjoy the creative possibilities it presents.